is it. The end of the line. The 2027 Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat. For over a decade, Durango has been the king of the school run and the drag strip. But the clock has finally run out. Before Dodge moves to the Hurricane 6 cylinders and electric motors of the Stealth era, they're giving the 6.2-liter HEMI one last victory lap. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today, we're saying goodbye to a legend, and it's going out exactly how you'd expect. Loud, fast, and completely over the top. Nothing has changed, because nothing needed to. You still get the supercharged 6.2-liter HEMI V8, pumping out 710 horsepower and 645 pound-feet of torque. Through an 8-speed torque-flight transmission and a specialized AWD system, this 5,700-pound beast will hit 60 miles per hour in 3.5 seconds. It still tows 8,700 pounds, and it still sounds like a thunderstorm in a tunnel. This isn't about efficiency. It's about the pure mechanical violence that only a Hellcat can deliver. To celebrate the final months of production, Dodge is opening the Jailbreak vault wider than ever. For 2027, you can customize almost every inch from demonic red Laguna leather to bronze lights-out wheels. Every 2027 Hellcat will carry a unique last call plaque under the hood. And we're seeing exclusive new colors. Like Sub-Zero Blue and Red Oxide, it's the ultimate. Collector's opportunity to build a 1-1 monster before the Detroit assembly. Complex switches gears forever. But why is it ending? Because the future is already here, even as this Hellcat rolls off the line. Dodge is preparing the 2027 Stealth. Built on the STLA large platform, the successor will trade this V8 for a 540 horsepower Hurricane inline 6 or a 600 horsepower electric powertrain. The new era will be smarter, more aerodynamic, tech-heavy, but it will never have the rumble of this aging, beautiful dinosaur. If you want the soul of a muscle car and a 7-seat body, this is your last chance. The 2027 Durango Hellcat isn't just a performance SUV, it's a piece of history. It's the last of the V8 titans. Are you sticking with the V8, or are you ready for the electric stealth? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for DRX AUTO MOBI. I'll see you at the finish line.